Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word dryer. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I need to put my wet clothes in the dryer to get them dry before I can wear them. A dryer is an electrical appliance used to remove moisture from wet items like clothing, towels, and linens by tumbling them in hot air until dry. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.